Okay, so today we're making easy scallion pancakes.
Your first ingredient is flour, and I recommend all-purpose flour instead of gluten-free. And so I added 2 scoops, and then I'm going to add equal parts water. And then once it looks like this, start mixing. And then once you mix for a while, it's going to look like this. And it's okay if there's still a little bit of clumps. You can't get all of it out. And then we're going to add around a tablespoon of sesame oil, depending on what you like. If you like a strong sesame flavor, add more. And I do, so I added a little bit more. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of sesame, maybe a lot of sesame. Then we're going to chop up the onions.
I think you need to record me crying. Ugh. Do you see my tears? Ah!
After you chop it up, put it back in the bowl. And then you're gonna keep mixing. It looks so good right now. And then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt, depending on your taste preferences. And then we're gonna heat up a pan to medium-high heat and add some olive oil. And then you're gonna tilt your pan until you spread the oil all over. And then I'm gonna take a scoop and put it in the middle, and then we're gonna try to spread it thin. And then I'm gonna take another scoop because I wanted it bigger, and then we're gonna make sure that it's even thin layer so that it tastes crispy and it's not too squishy. And then after about a minute or two, it's gonna start turning golden brown around the sides and flip up.
Don't break it. Don't break it. Perfect. Just grab and... No! Dad!
And then we are done and we can eat it.
Now here we have the pancake. So it's like really crispy on the sides. It tastes perfect. Really good. Rate this 10 out of 10 success. Would make again. And the insides are like chewy, ooey gooey chewy. It's good. Perfect salt, perfect flavor, really good texture. And if you see the bubbling right here, that means it's crispy. And green onions are the best. So, yeah. Dad, come here. You're gonna eat a piece, and then you're gonna tell me what you think. Yeah. So you can sit in the hot spot, or I'll turn the thing towards you. Oh God, you have to scoot back. Yeah. Lean back. Lean back. Okay, now you can go eat.
Mmm, so good. Terrific.
It's a little bit crispy on the sides.
And
Chewy.
really soft the inside.
Mm-hmm. And then, what do you think of the flavor?
Lots of onion flavor. and something hard to tell, but it's really good.
Yay! Would you eat it again?
Of course.
Rate it out of 10.
10.
Wow, you heard it, guys. Bye.